Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to be making La Cecina Toscana from Tuscany. It's a fantastic dish which I think you're going to love. On a recent trip to Italy, we were in Tuscany in the Chianti Classico region, eating great food, drinking great wine, and I came upon this thing called La Cecina Toscana, which was made with chickpea flour, and it kind of looked like a slice of pizza, but it was so delicious. I said, when I get home, I have to share this with everyone. Here are the ingredients. 2/3 of a cup of chickpea flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of water, and we're going to top it with flaky salt and rosemary. If you don't have chickpea flour, it's very easy to find. Most markets have it. It's just a few ingredients as you saw. This comes together really quickly and it's absolutely delicious. Come on, let's get started. Let's start by sifting the chickpea flour to take out the lumps. This will only take a second. All right, next we're gonna add the salt. And we're gonna add half the water. And the reason we're doing this is so it isn't lumpy. We're gonna make a paste. Whisk it around, blend it nicely. Okay, now we're gonna add the olive oil, only half of it, and now the rest of the water. All right, we're gonna let that rest for 30 minutes. Now we're going to put the rest of the olive oil in this non-stick pan. Pour in our chickpea mixture. We've got that going into a medium-high skillet. We're going to test it, see if it's browning on the bottom here. Looking good. Oops, ouch. I messed that up. It'll still taste good. All right, now I'm going to put it under the broiler for like a minute or two. Keep an eye on it. That looks good. Okay, let me get it out here on the cutting board. I've got some really good flaky salt I'm gonna put on top. Some fresh rosemary. Distribute that evenly. Now let's slice it up, just like a pizza. And we're good to go. Well, I told you it was pretty simple, but here's what happened. I made this in a cast iron pan and it stuck to it. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. And then I said, you know what? I'm gonna use a non-stick pan the next time. And it came out pretty good. Use what you think works best. Let's have a taste. This is really good. What you need to remember is you got to eat this warm, but that's not going to be a problem because you're going to eat it while it's warm and it'll all be done. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.